Make a great choice today with
The 2018 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, traction control, keyless entry, stability control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, remote engine start, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Your new ride is just a phone call away.